I am super red night.
Red?
I just too love to share. So I found a place where everyone will know my happy mind. Clean and show.
Fucking red button.
There's old friends and new friends and even a bear.
Chocolate red.
Oh god. Chocolate rain. Some stay dry and I prefer to stay wet. Or something. Something. Chocolate. You know what? I hate you. You know what? I'm gonna cheat. I'm gonna look up the lyrics.
I already know them, mate.
Are you on the bit with the 3 rooms?
Yeah.
Yeah, that one's tough. It was tough to get the last one.
Yeah. That sounds hard. I really want to see zEremophobia get to the fucking buttons.
What?
Are you at the button party?
Wait, you want me to come over there?
Yeah.
Dummy.
Because let's face it, you're never gonna get here without teleporting.
Okay,
Ooh,
beg
mate.
it.
He's at you. He's absolutely at you, mate.
These?
Oh, I did the 3 room bit.
Nice.
Chocolate rain.
Next bit, it's like...
What? There's a button on it. There's a button on it.
There's a
Chocolate
button everywhere,
rain.
yeah.
You have to hit it in the air. What the fuck is this? I thought that was too easy. Oh, I've done it.
Oh,
Alright,
I
you
thought
have
it
to
was
tweet
too
all
easy,
of
but
them?
like, then there's a button. Where's the button on this one?
Fuck that. This is for you, Glock. Chocolate rain.
Jesus Christ.
Some say dry, others spill the pain. Chocolate vein. A baby born will die before the sand. Chocolate rain. The school books say you can't be here, brick and
Put the
chocolate
lyrics up.
rain. The prisons. Chocolate rain. Let's and let me work again. Chocolate rain. How I know? What do you mean lyrics on the second monitor? I don't have a second monitor.
Oh.
Fuck. Oh no.
You have 2 monitors?